Hey, here in LA, going to Denver today. This is going to be our video. I'm starting in this area. That's where people check in. I'm already here though because this is a flight. I started this morning rather in Vegas, and I'm going to go to Denver. So this is the final part of that trip. Going LAX to Denver. And we are at the I don't know what terminal this is, to be honest with you, but we're flying out of gate 72A, and it's about a 2-minute walk that way. So this is what LAX is really known for, this thing, right? I'm here in LA, going to Denver today, and yeah, I started in Vegas this morning. This is just a cheaper ticket, I guess. So we're gonna go down to our gate. If you look in here, I was kind of chilling, waiting for this. There's a plane taking off, but I'm flying out of 72A. I'm really close. It's like a couple minute walk. So let's go check it out. Let's walk there.
Oh, now we're going over there. I want to go see what's in here. I think we can go back.
I like that area where I was waiting because it's really quiet and you can just kind of chill. This is where the main security is. If you're driving in here, you'd come in there, come up. I think my plane's supposed to board it like 5 minutes from now or something.
Good morning and welcome to flight code 76 to Cancun. This is an international flight, so every single passenger.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick. We'll be right back. I don't like going to the bathroom in airplanes. That's why you don't see that in very many, if any, of my videos. It happens sometimes, but for the most part, I try to always go to the bathroom first. That way I can just sit in my seat the whole time, go to sleep, whatever, depending on what I feel like. So there's our gate up here on the left. I'll check on this board really quick. Right here. See, people already lined up, so I'm gonna go over here and do that. Yeah. So I guess I should have paid attention to this a little more. They delayed our flight. This is it. It was supposed to be 7:58, and so I just tried to go on that flight that's departing from here. See how this says 7:58? It's 7:55. And the girl was like, hey, this isn't your flight. And I was like, what are you talking about? We're leaving here in a couple minutes. She's like, no, this is to go to Chicago. So the flight that's taking off right now is right here. So they're way behind. And look at this. It doesn't say, it just says different departing time. Different time here too, but it never says delayed or anything like that. So you just look at it really quick and you go, oh yeah, my flight. That's it. So dumb. Anyways, now I gotta wait around for an hour or whatever it is. Big 777. Big lines. Alright, getting on the plane here, hopefully. Hey Mason, hey Cam. How are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
They're good. So I'm in the very first row. It was awesome. Good old 777. Yeah, this is our view. Massive engine, of course. And that's the back of the plane. exiting through first class. Not sure why exactly, but the girl put in the door by us couldn't get it working.
Gotcha. That's soon. Bye, thank you.
Watch your step. All passengers, please exit.
It's kind of partly cloudy day. Feels great out here, like 60 maybe, 65-ish. Great temperature, jacket weather. A little light breeze in the mountains. I'm gonna go try to find my Uber. All right, I made it back to my place. I forgot to do this at the airport, so apologies. But thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit like. It just helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more videos like it in the future, be sure to hit subscribe. And yeah, you'll be notified when I post new videos every single time, which is right now once a week. Sometimes it's more than that, it just depends. So I'm really far behind, so I don't know when this is actually gonna make YouTube land, but here on May the 7th or whatever this is. Yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Colorado. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and as always, take flight.